I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another video to show you how you can make up to $300 using the photos that might be already in your phone gallery. Right. Before I give you the details, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. If it is your desire to leverage the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Without wasting your time, my friend, let me take you straight to the website that we are going to use today to make up to $300 by just using some photos that might already be in our phone galleries. So this is fop.com, and it's a secure website with a padlock in the corner. If you click that padlock, it says your information, for example, passwords, credit card numbers, they are private when they are sent to this site. Certificate is valid, cookies are in place, and the settings, site settings can be reached by clicking that button. This website now, it realized that hiring a photographer is very expensive because it is really expensive to have a photo shoot, to hire someone to shoot photos for a specific job, for a specific occasion. It realized that also that it can use regular people. People with smartphones can use their phones to take photos from all over the world and upload it on this website, and then this website pays a little amount of money to those people who are uploading some photos, right? So it also holds what are called missions, competitions, where you can get into a contest with your photo, right? So they give you the details of what sort of photo they require, and or a brand or a company can approach this website and then says they want a photo of a wedding, a photo of a thunderstorm, a photo of a breakfast, a photo of a summer afternoon or winter, right? Something like that. And then now people from all over the world, they shoot these photos, they check their photos. Some of them, they have the photos already in their phone galleries, so they just upload it on this. So when that brand comes and then it scans all the photos, it can pick the photos it wants, and then it pays an amount of money. Right. This is how you're going to make up to $300 using the photos that might already be in your phone gallery. Okay, let me give you the details now. It says this is their banner. This is kind of their pitch to their potential customers. And they're saying, tell your brand story with your own customized visual content, right? Access a community of 3 million talented creators to equip your brand with tailor-made video and imagery. All right, so these are some of the brands which use this website. All right, without wasting your time, my friend, let me take you to the button that matters, okay? Right, if you go where it says for creators, and then it says sell your content right there. You click that button, and then it says time to make extra money with your videos and photos. Download Fop app on your Apple or Android device, right? So this is an app that you're going to be using, okay? So you download it, and then it says simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand or an agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or a photo from your online FOP portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. Okay, right. So take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. Submitting a video or a picture to one of our missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. Get it now. Why wait? FOP is a great way to turn your videos and pictures into dollars you can spend on buying better equipment and becoming even a better video photographer. And join our community, be inspired by the creative of over 3 million creators. You download the apps right there. Apple device or Android device. All right, turn your photos into cash. So how to sell your own pictures for big bucks. You can listen to that video. FOP app featured on ABC News, CNN, BBC, the New York Times, and Mashable. Proud of your works? Share them with the best brands of the world. And these are the brands. Get started with FOP. Download the app and that's it. Right. So I'll give you some more details on how these missions, how to go about it. All right. And see the active missions right there. Right. These are the active missions. You click that button and it takes you to this page. It says new missions. Right. This one is a mission. $500 reward. Upload up to 15 photos of this particular mission, right? And see the details right here. The details. The first winner, first place photo will get $150 and 500 FOP coins. So you remember they said it will cost few coins, FOP coins, right? So it means now if you your photo gets the first place, you get $150 and then you get 500 FOP coins. It means now you can use those FOP coins to upload more videos and more photos. Second place is $100, 250 FOP coins. Third place, $50, 100 FOP coins. And the fourth place is $10. Now, other 20 photos will get $10 each. This is how it goes. So look at some of the photos. This is summer. It says to cool you down. We still need to cool down every now and then. So look at the photos to cool down. There is a dog right there, right, swimming. And look at that one. Look at the ice cream. Look at some of these. To cool down, to cool down, to cool down. Right, let me show you some more examples. Right, this one is paying up to 600. This mission, it says Shapes of Nature by FOP Missions, okay? Do you know that cemetery origins go back to approximately 3000 BC, right? The Shapes of Nature, on the other hand, have been around for as long as the nature itself. In this mission, we want you to capture these shapes and share them with us, right? So these are some of the examples. Some people have already uploaded their photos right here, and you can get more information, right? The rules are simple, right? 5 photo uploads, and you upload, and it will cost you some. So the first place will get $150 and 500, and the story goes on, right? So the next mission, this one is paying $800, and you can get the details, right? First place is $300 and 1,000 FOP coins. You see that? So this is why I'm saying, my friend, you can earn up to $300 by using photos that might already be in your phone gallery. You see, in this mission, it says, what photos captured by you do you love the most? Show us, okay? And these are some of the examples. Best photos captured by someone. And the rules are here. Up to 10 photos right here. You can upload up to 10. And first place is 300, second place 150, 50, and then 10 photos will get $30 each. Don't need to be a professional photographer. If you are one already, then it's a plus for you. See, with the type of phones that we have right now, you see, they can take stunning images, they can take 4K videos, and you can upload them up on this website and you start to make some side income. This is the strategy that you are going to use to make up to $300 using the photos that might already be in your phone gallery. What I have just described to you right here is called active income. But you see, there is another way of making money which I want to announce to you right now, my friend. And that way is called AutoPilot business. You set up a machine, a money-making machine in motion, and it starts to go to work for you 24/7, 365. This money-making machine will start to work for you whilst you are asleep, and you start to make money whilst you are on vacation. You start to make money whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your husband, with your wife, with your children. I've got a link in the description below that can give you the details of what I've just hinted right now. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.